Okay, this is question 7F. And it asks us, it says, the project is to be completed in the minimum time using as few workers as possible. Part F, schedule the activities using grid 1 in the answer book. So we've got, put this, the scheduling diagram. Now with this one, you mustn't get mixed up with a cascade diagram. Make sure it's a scheduling diagram. All we need is really this part here, E, because I've put all of the activity times on there. And we'll just fit them on. Now we'll start with the critical activities, A, C, J and M. So let's have a look. A was 4. A is 4. C is 7. So 4 and 7 is 11. That's part C. Part J, let's say J is 10. So that becomes just 21. And M is 9. So that goes up to 30. And that is the length that we saw from the diagram in part B. So that works out fine. M, that's as a check. Now this is the start for a cascade diagram and a scheduling diagram. Now time is a pressure on the decision maths paper, but a lot of mistakes are made if you don't do a cascade diagram first. It is possible to do a scheduling diagram, but straight off. But I'm going to do the cascade diagram just to show you how it works and fits in nicely. If you've got time to do this, do the cascade diagram or the cascade chart, and then do the scheduling diagram afterwards. Okay, I'm just going to work through. There's lots of right answers for the cascade diagram. The scheduling diagram. The cascade diagram, I'm just going to work through alphabetical order. So B has a duration of 5. Now let's see. Looking from the diagram, B starts from here. It starts on 0. So we'll go there. B, 0 to 5. And it can go up to 11. So I'm going to put this here and shade that in because that is the possible float. And the cascade diagram, that just does what it says. You've got to cascade down and do each individual activity after the critical path separately. So I'm just going to work my way down. C's on the critical path, so we need D next. D starts at 4. And has a duration of 9. So 4 and 9 is 13. Let's see. 4 and 9, 13. So we'll go to there. That's D. And if you have a look, D, the float, you can see it can go up to, I've got this one, 4 and 9 is 13, it can go up to 15. Now E can start at 4 and that's a duration of 6. So we'll put that on. E starts at 4, duration of 6, so it goes to 10. That's E. And if you look at the latest finishing time is 17. So put that there. 17. Shade that in. F, looking at the diagram, early start is 13. So I'll put that on there. And it has a duration of 2. There, F. And the latest finish is 17. So let's see, early start 13, duration of 2, latest finish 17. So put that there. which is the same as this one. G has an early start of 11 and a duration of 3. Early start of 11. Duration of 3. And the float, let's see, latest finish 21. So that goes up there. 21 down to there. H has an early start of 13 and a duration of 3. Early start of 13. So it's there. Duration of 3. Put that in H. And let's see. The latest finish is 21, which is the same as G. Put that there. I has an early start of 15 with a duration of 4. So 15 there. Duration of 4. That's I. And latest finish is 21. So that goes up to there. And J has an early start of 11 with duration 10. Oh, that one's on the critical path. So let's go on to the next one. K, early start of 14, duration of 5. Early start 14. Duration of 5. So that goes to 19. Okay. And you can see the latest finish is 30 there. So let's put that one up to 30. Right up to here. And L, early start of 14 with a duration of 2. Early start 14, duration of 2, that's L. And the latest finish is 30 as well. And M is on the critical path. So this is your cascade chart. Now I'm going to just put the schedule and diagram underneath. Now the schedule and diagram, use the cascade chart to show this. Now the critical path is going to be the same. So it goes up to 30 there. And A is on 4. Then this one, C is on 11, 21 for J, and then finish. So that is A, C, J, and M. Now there's lots of correct answers here. You just try and fit them all in, but I just like to go through alphabetical order if I can and just check the dependencies, make sure everything's okay. So we've got, let's see, B has a duration of 5. So put that there. Starts at 0. Duration of 5. B. I'll just show you there. I could show you from the diagram, but we're just going to use the schedule and diagram. Now you can see with this float here, you can actually slide B along. So, and all these ones are float, you can slide them along to fit in. So D, that one will fit in on the end of B, because even though it starts there, we could slide it along too. So D has a duration of 9. So here we'll go 9 along. So 5 and 9 is 14. So that goes down to there. So that is D. E cannot fit on the end of there, can't slide further along enough. So we have to put E on the next line. Now E starts at 4 and has a duration of 6, so it goes up to 10. 10 there. That's E. F, that would have fitted on, let's see, yeah, F, it's got 2 float there, so F I can move it along, so F can fit on the end of there. F. G can slide all the way along there, so yeah, I wouldn't put G on the end of there, and that has a duration of 3. H, no, if we look at H, it has a duration of 3, but there's from the end of here there's only 2 spaces extra, so it won't fit on this line, so H I'll have to put on the next line down here. So I'm going to put H there. H. There's a gap here, so that's not ideal, but that's the best I can do. I, that will, let's see, yeah, I will slide along, and that has a duration of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And K, yeah, K, plenty of space to slide along there for K. So we've got a duration of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's K. And you can see we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spare here. And L only has a duration of 2, so that would fit on no problem up to the end there. So L, duration of 2, fits there. So you can see the scheduling diagram fits in 1, 2, 3 workers. 3 workers can do these jobs. So worker 1 could do A, C, G and M. Worker 2 can do B, D, E, F and G. Worker 3 can do E, H, I, J, K and L. That's it. I could have fitted K, maybe an L and that, but it doesn't matter. And this is your scheduling diagram. And that's it.